Hey, it's Rena, and today I'm going to show you how to get started with digital planning in 2022. I'll also show you how to download a free 2022 digital planner. If you're new to my channel, I make videos on digital planning tips and plan with me's on iPad and other devices, so subscribe and hit the notification bell for more of this content. My favorite method for digital planning is using an iPad or tablet, and that's what I'm going to talk about today. I love digital planning because there's lots of similarities to traditional paper planning, but has all the benefits of going digital. I can write on the page with a stylus pen and decorate it using stickers and photos. It's easy to undo mistakes and move things around if you want to rearrange the page, and I can easily add images without having to print anything out. You can duplicate any page as many times as you want, so you'll never run out of pages, and the same goes for stickers. You can just copy and paste them again and again. There's lots of ways to customize your digital planner, and you can also get creative by making your own stickers and layouts. To get started, you're going to need a tablet with a stylus pen. An iPad is a popular choice, but you don't need to go out and buy the latest iPad. My iPad is the second generation iPad Pro from 2017, and it works perfectly fine with all of my favorite apps. I bought this on eBay pre-owned, and it came with an Apple Pencil and a keyboard, and I got a good deal. So I recommend checking out pre-owned older iPad models for a more budget-friendly option. I highly recommend getting the Apple Pencil so you can handwrite. Without it, you can still use the keyboard to type your notes, but I just really enjoy being able to actually write on the page. As for the size of the iPad, I like the larger screen size of the 12.9-inch iPad Pro, but if you need something lighter and more portable, then the smaller iPads will work as well. I did a review of the 2021 iPad mini, and in that video I covered digital planning and other apps. For Android, I recommend a Samsung tablet with the S Pen. I have the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and I really like the screen size. For Windows, a popular choice is the Surface Pro, but the digital planning apps on there are limited. Next, I'm going to talk about accessories. On the iPad, I recommend a paper fill screen protector. This makes the screen less slippery to write on, and I find that my handwriting is much neater with it. This is optional, but I like using an external keyboard for journaling or anywhere else that I'm writing out a large block of text. Just make sure that you get a Bluetooth keyboard because that makes it very easy to connect to your iPad. When I'm typing, I also like to use a stand, and this thing also comes in handy for watching Netflix. Whichever iPad or tablet you have, you can get a case for it that helps to protect it, and some cases also work as a stand, which is really convenient. For the Apple Pencil, I like to use a cover. A rubber one like this is great for providing extra grip when writing, and there's lots of different designs for both generations of the Apple Pencil. Next, you're going to need an app. On iPad, I recommend Goodnotes 5, which is a paid app, but is completely worth it in my opinion. This is the most popular app for digital planning and has a ton of features. My favorite features include the Elements tool. This allows you to save a group of objects together to use again and again, and you can do lots of creative things with this feature, like making your own stickers directly inside of Goodnotes. You can change the color of handwriting, text, and shapes, and this is another really convenient feature. Check out my top tips, hacks, and hidden features video for Goodnotes app. If you're looking for a free digital planning app on the iPad, I suggest checking out Goodnotes or Goodnotes. I go into more detail on both of these two apps in my free iPad planning video. On Android, my favorite app for digital planning is Penly app. This app was designed specifically with digital planning in mind and comes with several digital planners that you can reuse every year. My favorite features are the ability to create your own hyperlinks to other pages and batch import images into the stickers panel. New features are also being added which take suggestions from the digital planning community. If you're looking for a free Android app, I've heard good things about Samsung Notes, although I haven't used it much myself. The next thing you will need is a digital planner. Most PDF digital planners are compatible with the apps I mentioned earlier, and this is basically a PDF file with hyperlinks that allow you to quickly jump to a particular page. When choosing a digital planner, you want something that's extensively hyperlinked so you can navigate around easily. I like having a year overview that's linked to all the weeks and days, and being able to jump to the day from the week view and vice versa. Depending on how you like to use your iPad or tablet, there's digital planners in landscape and portrait orientation. White paper is the most common, but you can also get black paper planners as well as other paper colors. Aside from the design of the planner, you also want to pay attention to the weekly and daily layouts to make sure it's suited to your planning needs. My passion is making digital planners and stickers, and all the planners in this video are from my shop. When designing my planners, I love the idea that you could customize different aspects and choose the color, the rings, Sunday or Monday start, what the layouts look like. So with the help of my husband, we created this planner builder tool that lets you custom build a planner with the options that you choose. And with one purchase, you can use this tool again and again and make as many planners as you want, so you have access to all the colors and the different weekly and daily layouts. Some people want daily pages without weekly pages or the other way around, and you can also do that. I have a free demo digital planner you can try out if you're not sure whether digital planning is right for you. This has monthly and weekly pages, but it doesn't have the full content of our planner bundles, which also include daily pages, as well as pages for productivity, wellness, nutrition, fitness, finances, and extra stickers and covers. I also have lots of free digital stickers in my freebies vault, and I'll put the link to that in the description down below. So to download and import the free digital planner into your app, go to the link in my description and then choose the year that you want, Monday or Sunday start, choose your planner style, and then down to the bottom, you will see a download link. Just tap on the download link and then tap on the share icon and then choose your app from the list. I'm going to use Goodnotes and then import as new document. And now the planner is ready to be used. You can navigate using the tabs down the side, and here are the hyperlinks to the week. In Goodnotes, to write on the planner, you need to tap on this icon here to go into edit mode, and then just choose your pen and you can write on the page. If you found this video useful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more digital planning videos. If you have any questions, just drop me a comment below. Thanks for watching.